Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a crafty haul. I have made two separate orders from a cherry on top. You know that they're my favorite. And this one was done earlier in October, but I still haven't played with it, go figure. And then this one was done early November because I got the new, so I had to place another order. And then the only other thing that I got, that I think I left in my garage, is I got a new cinch. Why am I saying that wrong? Cinch machine. I did purchase it via Amazon. Was it? Yeah, so it was in October. This was October too. I'm trying to get my dates straight. During like Prime Day, which was like the 12th of October, I think, I got my cinch machine then for like $50. I got like the old one. I didn't get the multi-cinch, even though I do wish I had that one to change up the holes. But I figure a cinch is fine. If you are unaware what the cinch machine does, it does the holes, and then it came with the coils to make kind of like spiral bound like little notebooks and mini books. So I can't wait to play with it in the next year for all sorts of mini projects. So I do have the cinch machine. It's just in the garage right now because it was an Amazon purchase, and it's still sitting there because that too, once again, I have not used yet. So in this purchase, the main items that I got were the 49th and Market Spice Wildflower Collection. I'm sure you've seen it. I did get the rub-ons that have all the beautiful pumpkins and the luscious colors for fall. Now granted, yes, it's technically not fall anymore. We're getting into Christmas. It is true. But I still have those photos to scrap. And yes, I am prepping for a December daily. So this may sit, but I could not. I got, peer pressure from a scrappy friend who was encouraging me to buy it. And I was like, you know what? Let's be honest. Yes, if it sells out, I will be disappointed. Look at those gorgeous colors that I don't have it. And of course, my favorites are always these laser cut elements. So I got the mixed media leaves and the wildflower elements. So just look how beautiful those colors are. So like I said, I know you've probably seen this collection. So this is what I picked up, the 12 by 12 rub-ons with the nice big phrase titles. And then the 12 by 12 pack of papers. These are fantastic. I mean, you can even see by those florals right there. Yeah, so beautiful. And so I had picked up, to accommodate it, two new Catherine Pooler inks. One in Royal Treatment, which is like this purpley gray tone, and then Ginger, which is a nice like deep orangey cinnamon color to go with it. So if I do any stamping, I have these colors. I also picked up the Oxide ink in tea dye. I don't have this one in my collection, so I picked it up too, and helped to have more like neutral tones in my crafty colors. Then I got this stamp, Klingstedt. This is from Simon Hurley. This was in my cart a few times, so I finally said yes. It's just called Leaf Prints, 8 pieces, because this reminds me so much of this. You know what I mean? So I was like, oh, and then that's why I got the ink colors, because I can stamp it. You see where I was going? So this was like a whole, like, let me get my fall things. Plus, I love a good leaf stamp. And then randomly, I got the fabulous pumpkins, just to have in my stash whenever you need a pumpkin. And then this was the freebie at the time, was a little out new stamp set. So that was simple and cute. Then I did a separate purchase. I got Distressed. This is the Grit Paste in Snowfall. So this one is for December daily. I haven't used it yet, so I'll definitely rub it through a stencil soon enough. And then I got elements from the new Discover and Create collection from Vicki Boutin. So I didn't pick up a lot of it, but just definitely these chipboard pieces, because these leaves were amazing. These hearts and stars, and they're all chipboard, and I thought these could definitely all be colored in. I picked up the Puffy Word Phrase stickers. I like these. I like a lot of them that she has. They are great title pieces. I put them always straight on photos. Then for the papers, like I said, I think I just picked up that. And I just picked up the papers that I knew I could cut up and make layouts just on white paper. So I got 2 of these because that floral was amazing. So we're just cutting that up. This butterfly was amazing. Cutting that up. You can see the theme. Cutting this up. And don't get me wrong, the backs are beautiful too. I mean, they're simple. They're always like design B. I got it for all the cutting I will do. I got this. Clearly, you see where I'm going. I'm cutting it. And then here are the leaves that are in that chipboard collection. I got 2 of those because, yeah, I'm cutting all these out. Even though that's a good one, but I can always have a black and white paper. So I just figured everything that I make with it will be just on white cardstock, and we will make some pretty stuff with this, and that'll have my little taste for this collection. And then randomly I got this word stencil. It's called Soul Shines from Dana Wakely. I threw this in the cart. I think this was like $2. So I was like, sale, stencil, yes. And then I really got it for the new paper trimmer, y'all. I got it for the paper trimmer. It's 12.5 inches, precision trimmer from Tim Holtz. It's brand new. 1 cuts and 1 scores is how I understand it. I've not used it. This is what I put my purchase. And surprisingly, it wasn't that crazy expensive. I want to say it was like $35. And the reason I did it too, because I do love this one. This is one I've been using for years, but you can see how loved it is. My Fiskars. I have replaced the blades, but I always just wish that like the trimming accuracy edge was a little bit better. It still does it straight. I just, you know, and since I love my Tim Holtz scissors, and I have the Big Daddy pair, where are they? Somewhere. I do love these scissors. These are some of the best ones in my collection. I even have to sharpen this set right now, but I do have the long ones as well. So I figured if I love this, I'm gonna love his cutting board. So that's why I purchased this one as well. And that is it, everyone. That is it. Okay. Oh, and the only other thing I did get, and then finally, the only thing I purchased via Amazon, I think I was talking about it in my stories, where is everyone buying page protectors that are design A from Becky Higgins, because Project Life is not available. They're not available on Amazon. Everyone did steer me towards scrapbook.com, so I will make an order in the future. But in order to save myself, I just purchased this 50 pack. We are memory keepers. So I figured even if I used my 3x4 journaling cards, you know, in this row to keep the same element, it would fit, because that's my favorite. And this on Amazon was only like 20 bucks, 25 maybe. So I was like, you know what, add to cart, because I don't know where these page protectors are and I'm going to need some rather soon. So that was a purchase to save myself in case I never find design A again. That is the story with that. Okay, that is everything, my friends. Small scrapbook haul. Just wanted to film it, post it. That way, if you see me after December Daily, working with the Vicky Boutin collection, or still scrapping some fall photos with the 49th and Market, you saw the haul. That way, you know I have it here. But I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much for joining me. And as always, take care. Till next time. Bye.